Hey everyone, it's Farah and I'd like to welcome you to my new series, Back to Basics, where beauty comes from nature. Now, after being a makeup junkie and having worked in the beauty industry for years, I can't deny getting sucked into the overwhelming consumerism trap and the 21st century abuse of chemicals and planet destruction. It's really something that affects all of us as we're immersing ourselves and our loved ones in toxic chemicals we're using head to toe on a daily basis. These chemicals are linked to cancer, autism, allergies, asthma, and infertility, as well as trashing the planet with products that aren't even that beneficial. You see, every day we're trying our best to be the best version of ourselves we can be. We strive to provide the best for our loved ones. We stay away from dangerous substances, only to find out that they're in our deodorant, shaving cream, lipstick, even baby shampoo. It's not just about what you put in your body, but also what you put on it. Now, I'm not trying to scare you off or tell you to go toss everything out. I'd be a hypocrite myself if I said I didn't love my full coverage concealer or my gorgeous colorful palettes that I use once in a while. This is about awareness, to be mindful of the choices we make daily, and to consider better alternatives when we can. If you're ready for all the ins and outs of the personal care and beauty industry and how you can dramatically decrease your body's toxicity levels, have a whole lot of fun making clean products, then come join my online family by subscribing. I'm going to be starting a series to share my research and what I'm learning on a journey to take with all of you in a life well lived through making conscious decisions, going back to the basics of nature so we can radiate confidently, beautiful, and healthy.